Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're in the market for a new wig or just curious about the latest styles, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the ready-for-it sophisticated shoulder-length layered wig by Hairuwear in the gorgeous shade GF8-12SS Iced Mocha. Let's take a closer look at this piece and see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, this wig comes in a sleek, shoulder-length style with layers that are designed to add volume and sophistication. The Iced Mocha color is a beautiful, warm blend that is perfect for anyone looking for a soft, natural look. It's made with true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic hair, so you have the flexibility to style it with heat tools, whether that's curling it, straightening it, or even adding a bit of volume with a blow dryer. So if you love changing your hair without the commitment, this wig has you covered. When it comes to design, the Ready For It wig has a really structured shape. The back is graduated, giving it a soft, rounded volume that's perfect for creating that effortless chic vibe. The crown has volume too, but it doesn't feel too heavy or overdone. I love the longer face-framing pieces that give it a soft, flattering finish around the face. And of course, the fringe is soft, which adds a subtle touch of sophistication. One of the standout features is the comfort cap, which is designed with increased lightness and airflow, so the wig feels breathable even after wearing it for hours. This is a big deal, especially for long days or if you tend to get hot under wigs. The hand-tied top and sheer lace front give it a really natural look, and the velvet-lined ear tabs and nape ensure a comfortable, snug fit. Speaking of fit, the ultra-thin hook and loop adjusters at the nape of the neck allow for a personalized fit, so no more worrying about that wig sliding around. Now, in terms of real-world use, I've been wearing this wig for a few days now, and I can say that it's incredibly lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all, which is great for all-day wear. The styling process was super easy too. Since it's heat-friendly, I was able to curl it to add more body. I also tried it straight, and it held up well. No frizz or awkward bends, which is always a plus with synthetic hair. But let's talk about comfort. I've worn wigs that start off great but start feeling uncomfortable after a while. With this one, I didn't have that issue at all. The cap is light and the breathable design kept me comfortable throughout the day. I've also gotten a lot of compliments on how natural it looks. The iced mocha color is so flattering, and it just blends in seamlessly, making it ideal for anyone who wants a wig that looks close to their natural hair, without the need for constant maintenance. However, no product is perfect. The only downside I found is that the fringe can get a little bit in the way if you're not used to bangs. It's soft and light, but I did have to trim it slightly to fit my preferences. Also, if you're looking for a wig with more volume or a super dramatic look, this might not be the one for you. The style is more on the sophisticated, everyday side, which works well for most occasions, but may not give you that bold, show-stopping vibe. Let's talk about value for money. Given that this wig is heat-friendly and made with a high-quality synthetic fiber, I think it's priced fairly. The ability to style it with heat tools adds significant versatility, and the comfort features make it worth the price. When compared to other wigs in a similar price range, this one offers a great balance of style, comfort, and quality. Plus, it's really low maintenance, so you're not constantly worrying about it losing its shape or texture. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are other synthetic wigs available at a lower price, but you may not get the same heat styling flexibility or comfort features. On the higher end, there are luxury wigs made from human hair, which would give you the option of more customization, but they're significantly more expensive. Overall, the Ready For It sophisticated shoulder-length layered wig is a solid choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-wear, natural-looking wig. It offers a beautiful color, versatile styling options, and great comfort. I would recommend it, especially if you're new to wigs or just looking for something stylish yet low maintenance for daily wear. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this wig in the description or comments below. And if you've tried it, let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.